All right, it's Monday. Trying to have energy after, yeah. Zach brought this disgusting stuff in, but it's all right.
It's not good.
Oh, geez. Especially this early in the morning, man, I don't know. Anyways, after a long weekend, let's see, I worked some, volleyball tournament all weekend. Unexpected snowstorm. Wrestling tournament Saturday. It's been the weekend's been longer than a work week of staying busy. So anyways, getting back on the Shovelhead frame here. Let's see, Friday, I think I bent the seat rails up. I kind of, I kind of lucked out. I guesstimated where my seat bends needed to be based off of what I normally do with the other frames. So bring that over here and we'll show them where we're at with this. So right now, right in this area where it was where the original seat rails were. So here we go. We're hitting right here on that gusset. Then down here on the bottom, we're obviously a little long. So we'll trim this off. Let's go ahead and notch this other one really quick. Like right here, where we notch it on the front rails right there. To go on the backbone. So let's go over here to the notcher. It's a pretty sweet piece of equipment. Need to make sure the seat rail is level. Tighten it up. This has a degree on the vise here, so we can change it, move it around. Right now we're at about 22. That's where it was for the other one. Let's just leave it there. We're tight. Turn her on, put a little oil on it. And that's a big, call that a corn cob. That's a big milling bit. It's not cheap. This always makes me think of putting butter on your corn. A little salt and butter. It's pretty good. Once again, we're long on this one too, so we'll have to trim these down a little bit. But I still got to get the axle plates placed forward and back where they need to be. I'm gonna go over here and deburr these on the Burger King. Going to Burger King. This is way too nice of a belt. But also when I'm deburring it, I'm chamfering it a little bit also. So that way when I weld it, it's chamfered back on the seat rail and it'll get a lot of good penetration. You'll be able to put a decent amount of wire in there while you're welding it up. Found my favorite marker. Every once in a while I get to where like there'll be stints to where I'll have about a month and I'll have a favorite marker. Then it'll go to crap and then I gotta find another one. But right now this one's doing the job. Make sure we're even here on the axle plates. So what we're gonna do, you wanna bring that over here so we can see how we're between right here. Here was where the original seat rail met up to the backbone. So we're gonna stay right in that general area. Come back, we're gonna cut this just with enough space to where we can put the end cap on it. Let's tack the end caps on these. I keep thinking of getting a Bluetooth pedal for over here. That's the hardest thing about this frame jig area, is just always kicking my pedal around with this wire hook to it. But I've never used one or talked to anybody who's used one, so I'm just curious how well they work. Yeah, they look pretty cool. I don't know enough about them yet to really just purchase one. Check these out, make sure I didn't switch nothing. Nope. Cool, so the seat rails are ready to tack on. Just go ahead and make these bottom rails while we're at it. Once again, this is going to be kind of a guesstimate. Let's try 18 inches. Then we're going to do these at 40 degrees like the seat rails. All right, I'm just gonna try out this one tube real quick. See how this works. I don't want the bend at the bottom to be so long. I want to kind of keep the bend as close as I can to the transmission. So I'm just gonna start out right here at the end of the die, because that'll make a tight bend. Let's just see how that goes. Once again, 40 degrees. I don't like the waste metal, but in theory, even if I mess this up, I'd only mess up this much. I can use this for a crossbar or something, so I'm not messing up too much metal. Bam. Man, that would work perfect, but too much of an angle. So that was 40 degrees. Let's go at 20. I know there's degree finders and stuff like that, but I'm kind of an eyeball engineer. Duck butter. You know what? I'm going to bend that one at 40, and then we're going to come back here and bend this in so that this has a little bit more love, and we'll bring this down. Because I like this bend here at 40. That's a nice angle, but it doesn't match up to the axle plate. So we'll do both of them at 40, then we're going to come back from this end and probably come down, say 10 degrees. That's like 35 degrees. There we go. So that'll look nice and slick. Give that rear rail just a little bit more love. So cool. Thin that up. All right, put the end caps on these. Then I'll have to go get my assistant. Do it all, Dave.
Hey, Dave.
Hey, Dave. Let's go see if we can find Dave.